Go time.
Hey, you guys ready to party with the Muscle and Diesel Dave?
Because here we are.
Yee-hoo! We are road tripping Moab. Here we go. This is the life, man.
Doesn't really get any better. This, I gotta say,
how smooth this is.
This thing is smooth. This suspension's awesome.
You know what? This is almost good enough for me to get a Gladiator.
I know, I agree.
But the good news is,
what's that?
Gladiator's coming out with a diesel in like a month.
That's true.
And then we can put the Belltech stuff on it.
Yes. I like that idea a lot. This suspension is awesome.
It's soft, man. I feel like a trophy truck in here. Look at me, look at that. I mean, would you look at that? Look at this.
What? Look at this. Look at that.
That was a little bit of tire rub.
Just a little tiny bit.
Post up.
Yep. Fender.
You know what? That has nothing to do with the suspension, though.
It doesn't?
No. Fender? That's got the fender too low, obviously. Mud puddle!
Mud puddle.
Here comes my bermy berm. BJ's flying through here.
Oh, yeah. Look at that view. Boom.
Man, that's nice. I'll tell you what else is nice is this Gladiator. This is sick. Should we hit him?
Yeah, I don't know why you wouldn't.
How's that view, guys? Look at that view. Look straight down.
Straight
from
down.
rocks.
Boom.
Sick.
Scary.
Oh no, here goes a back bumper drag.
No, I think we're good.
What was that squeaky squeak?
I don't know.
Oh man, if I didn't drag bumper, I'd do it again. How's it riding? Is it good?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Sweet.
You're
We just had a little seat fall off.
fine. You're fine.
Okay, got it.
Drop.
Wow.
Oh.
Look, feel that.
God, that is. They can't feel it.
They
You can
can.
experience it.
Bro, I'm. All jokes aside, this is very comfortable.
Very
ride.
impressive.
Attaboy, BJ.
Get it, BJ.
Get it, BJ! Hey, look. There's BJ in the truck. Turn
See
around.
him? Turn around. Look.
See him? That ram? Tire spinning. Oh no, tire spinning. Oh no. Bro, this is heaven out here.
Oh, it really is. And we're glad you guys joined us.
Thank you for joining us on our cloudy ride.
VR idea ride through paradise.
Sit back and listen to the
Enjoy.
smooth sounds of the muscle singing his favorite song.
Kumbaya.
Are you actually going to sing it?
No, I'm not. They did not pay enough for that membership.
Or a tease. Here comes the drop.
Long sand's lifting up a lot.
Leave it and out of this. You pervert.
I can't.
Oh, that is actually going to see better at the end. That's why it's bottom. He just floored it out of there.
Did he?
Yeah. Look at that. Straight up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah, this thing's cool.
Very impressed.
I think I pulled a forearm muscle driving that ramp. Why you look so nervous?
What? Oh, I'm not nervous.
You want to have some fun?
I'm just enjoying, man.
Are you?
Really enjoying this.
Whoop section.
Whoop, 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 whoop. You guys can't really see.
Come on, middle cloak.
The suspension's soaking it up.
Yes, that's right. You let me by.
You better.
Muchas gracias.
El Nina.
Hey, we're coming up on BJ round 2. Here he is. BJ in the Ram. Muscle and Diesel Dave coming in hot. We're gonna ram him. Show you Ram. Look at that. Viewers at home. Viewers at home. Now you're on a Moab adventure with not only Muscle and Diesel Dave, but BJ Baldwin and Top Gun Tory. This is life, you know? It's just great. Just a little tap will be fine, right? Yeah. Chase won't mind. Look. That's how you test the suspension, ladies and gentlemen.
That's how you do it.